The Slice and Fun is a safe cutting board system. It holds the foods for you, so your helping hand is not in the way of the knife. We have these fork holders that are on what's called a friction hinge, so you can, it takes about 2 pounds of force to move these up and down, and the reason it takes that much force is because you want to be able to hold the food down. It bites into the food that you want to hold down.
Clean, easy cuts.
The fork holders are not on springs, they're actually on friction hinges. They move only when you move them. It also has an area here for your helping hand to grip the side of it. It also comes with options to use suction cups in case you wanted to do one-handed chopping. You could chop foods with just one hand.
Hey, so I'm in 4th grade and it's pretty. To me and like all my friends at school, they're like, "Oh my gosh, you're cooking like so early," but I feel like I'm not. But I like cucumbers a lot because I also like pickles, and cucumbers are made out of pickles. I like Slice and Fun because it's very sturdy, and it's like the same thing my mom said. It's like not like it doesn't feel like it's gonna roll off. It doesn't feel like it's gonna move at all, and I like it because it bends like so far down. So if you want it, like let's say you wanted it to go even deeper, you could go like as deep as you want, and it just stays there and it doesn't do anything. It obeys your commands almost. like what you do, it like obeys like the things that like all you want it to do is like to cut, make sure it stays straight, and it's like it does that already for you. It's like it read your mind. I also like this because of the suction, because like sometimes when I be in the kitchen at my mom's house, and I'd be cutting like let's say like cucumbers or zucchini. It'll like sometimes the cutting board would like slide off, like it'll slide everywhere, and then like the water, like also like before we rinse off all the vegetables, of course, and it's like when especially the water, it's like making it a whole like like really really slippery. So like I like how this has like suction on it, so then it's really sturdy and it won't move anywhere. Because or else you might have a possible chance of cutting yourself, and you don't want to cut yourself. So, yeah.
I definitely would recommend the Slice and Fun product to families, especially those with kids. So for the fun factor with cooking with your children, if that is something that you're planning to do to teach them how to use kitchen knives and utensils properly. The safety features that are on this cutting board definitely can be of assistance to the children in giving them a safe environment to cook in with their moms or their dads or their grandmothers or whomever that they're in the kitchen.